Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can upload files to a shared Google Drive folder. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to make a new folder in here that will be shareable, and then you just need to hit the create. Once you did, then you will able to see that in your My Drive. And here actually you can see you just need to select that one and then go to these options and then make it anything you want. You just need to be invite your email or people in here. Let's say I'm going to invite myself in here, and then eventually I will give the editor access in here so he or she can upload files in here. Just click to the share. Once I did, then it already been done. Now we just need to go to the Mozilla, and then eventually I will get an notification in here. So let's refresh this one and then open the drive Google, and here you just need to sign in. Once you did, then you will eventually get these options. So let's go to the My folder, My Drive. Okay, click to the next, got it. Again, just go to the home, and here you will see your shareable folder. So let's click share with me, and here you can see this is the shareable folder. So now I can easily drop the files in here, or I can click the new, and then if I click on file upload, I can easily upload any file in here. Let's say I'm going to upload this screenshot, and it will take a couple of minutes, and once it's done, then we will see the parent drive in here. So now go to the parent one, and here you can see it already been done. So in this way you can easily make a shareable folder in Google Drive. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.